Okay, Christina and Jordan here, or Nicole here, we're singing Payphone by Maroon 5. Well, we hope you like it.
I gotta get a video.
Oh, back up a little bit.
Back it up, back it up.
Push this button. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I've spent on you. Where have the times gone? Baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You said you're too late to make it, but is it too late to try? Ended our time that you wasted. All of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my night. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone? Baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be quoting you like this. And all these fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be dead. Turned your back on tomorrow, you forgot yesterday. Gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I'm wasting my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone? Baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all the fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be back. I'm at a payphone. Work that.
I have time to drink it.
At a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? So where are the plans we made for two? If happily ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all the fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. We hope you enjoyed. Comment, like, thumbs up.